an investigation into some of these allegations of harassment that have gone just too far. There have been basically death threats and calling out some of these young men to actually end their own lives, and that is illegal, and it's a violation of the law that is not covered by the First Amendment. So I am aware that there's at least one investigation into this.
Okay. Now, what are the possible? Is it a misdemeanor? Is it a felony? What could possibly be the repercussions here?
It depends. It depends on really what's said and how it's said. But privacy and communications is a statute that protects people from basically harassment by phone or email or text, and basically talks about obscene, lewd, or profane language, or suggests lewd language, or threats of injury or physical harm to the person or property. So those are the kinds of things that are covered by this statute. It is a misdemeanor, but like I said, if on a third conviction, you could be looking at a felony sentence of up to 5 years and a fine of $10,000.
So, Andrew, what is your advice as a law enforcement officer to people who get so upset that they feel like they have to threaten someone? I realize, harming animals, harming children, that sort of thing, is extremely provocative and can be very hurtful. But as as citizens, what do we need to do to respond in a way that would be appropriate?
Don't make it personal. Would be my first suggestion, and certainly you want to see the justice system work it through. And we've got rules of evidence. We have judges. We have attorneys for both the state, who represents the people of Montana, and you've got attorneys who represent these individuals. And we're going to work this out, and we're going to figure out what's an appropriate resolution. And it does nobody any good to actually put themselves in legal jeopardy by making these horrible statements.
But it is important to realize that these individuals are going to be facing punishment. It isn't just a slap on the wrist appearing at court.
Right. Well, and anytime you're facing a felony, these are serious consequences, and these are serious actions that frankly, everyone here at the county attorney's office and in law enforcement takes very, very seriously.